In front of me is CUBOT Note 7, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then open your camera, and here select picture icon, which is for modes, select camera, select settings, and here you will notice self timer, mark it, and now you can smoothly pick 2 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds, and from now on the picture will be taken after 10 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been grabbed with some delay. Obviously you can pick if you want to apply 2 or 10 seconds delay, and if you'd like to turn it off, just mark off, and from now on it will be grab picture smoothly after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.